Insect sense organs. All animals in the surroundings have adaptation to collect environmental informations by having sense organs or sensilla. Singular form of sensilla is sensillum, also known as receptor. Thus, the basic function of the receptors or sense organs is to receive stimulus from the environment and transmit them to the effector organs such as muscle and initiate a chain of events that ultimately results in a nerve impulse or response. It is also involved the conduction, coordination and integration by the nervous and endocrine system of the information received from the receptors of the stimuli. The sensory organs are primarily responsible for the reception of stimuli and pass them onto the neuromuscular system, resulting in the varied behavior pattern of the insects. Insects have many sense organs. Can insect feel touch? Yes, insect can feel touch with the help of mechanoreceptors. Can insect hear? Yes, insect can hear with the help of campaniform sensilla or tympanal organ or Johnson organ. Can insect taste? Yes, with the help of gustatory chemoreceptors, they can taste. Can insect smell? Yes, insect can smell with the help of olfaction chemoreceptor. Can insects see objects? Yes, insects have well developed compound eyes and ocelli. With the help of these, they can see the objects. Can insect feel warm and cold? Yes, insect can feel warm and cold with the help of thermoreceptors or hygroreceptors. Classification of insect sense organs. According to the various stimuli perceived, they are classified into the following types. Mechanoreceptors. They are primarily respond to the touch and also act as proprioceptor and hearing organs. Chemoreceptors. They are chemoreceptors respond to the taste or olfaction. Photoreceptors. These sense organs are responsible for to see the objects. Less common types such as hygroreceptors and thermoreceptors are present in the insect species. Mechanoreceptors. Mechanoreceptors are different types such as trichoid sensilla, placoid sensilla, campaniform sensilla, cordon sensilla. Chemoreceptors. Chemoreceptors may be present in the form of trichoid sensilla, cone or basicone or basiconic peg sensilla, coeloconic peg sensilla, and sensory pits. Photoreceptors. Photoreceptors are present in the insect body in the form of dermal receptors. These are as a simple epidermal cells. Dorsal ocelli, stigmata, or also known as lateral ocelli, and compound eyes. These are multifaceted visual organs. Less common type sensory organs. These are thermoreceptors, respond to the temperature, hygroreceptors, respond to the humidity, and magnetoreceptors respond to magnetic field. Mechanoreceptors are the sense organ of the insect which respond to the sense of touch due to contact with external solid objects, current of the air and water, or even because of internal body pressure. Mechanoreceptors are present in the form of tactile organs or trichoid sensilla, the campaniform organs, and the coronodal organs. The tactile organs are called trichoid sensilla. These are simple articulated sensory hairs and distributed on the entire body surface. In the construction of tactile organs or trichoid sensilla, they consist cuticle and articulated uh, cells within a socket with a body wall. It is formed by two cells. One is hair producing cells known as trichosan cell, and another is socket producing cell known as tormogen cell. This is modified epidermal cell. Each sensillum is innervated by a bipolar sensory neurons, and dendrite of this bipolar sensory neuron is enclosed at the base of hair by a cuticular tubular sheath, and this cuticular tubular sheath is known as scalopel. It is in some cases also assisted with another type of cell, and this is known as scolopol cap. Location of tactile organs. They are present on antennae, tarsi, tibia, and cerci. Function of tactile organs are as subserving the sense of the touch, act as proprioceptor during sliding of the segments over each other. They also respond to the air movements during flight. They perceive earthborne vibration in terrestrial insects and water surface vibrations in aquatic insects. This is the basic diagram of trichoid sensilla, in which we can see that this is the hair, this is trichoform sensillum, uh, this is a socket form of tormosan cell, this is bipolar sensory neuron, and this is the dendrite of bipolar sensory neuron. And this sensory neuron is further covered with the tubular sheath known as scolopol cell, and another is scolopol cap. So, trichoid sensilla are in the form of hair-like structures present on the outer body surface of the insect. This is trichoid sensilla from Anopheles mosquito antenna showing in this picture at higher magnification. Another form of mechanoreceptor is the companiform sensilla. Externally not seen, but they are recognized by a dome-shaped cuticular areas. They elevated above or depressed below the general body surface. Cell structure and arrangement is similar to that of the trichoid sensilla. Location of companiform sensilla is wing base, haltere, cerci, palps, and on the base of trochanter, femora, tibia, and tarsal segments. Mechanism of companiform sensilla. Companiform sensilla act on the stretches. The cuticular stretches and the forces exerted on the cuticle by muscles and gravitational forces stimulate the companiform sensilla. So they act as a proprioceptor and also respond to the external stimuli in terrestrial insects as water pressure in aquatic insects and air pressure in flying insects. This picture showing the structure of campaniform sensilla, in which we can see that there is a no hair like projection here. This is a dome shaped structure, and this is a depression like structure, and basic structure is same as in trichoid sensilla, having a bipolar neuron and outer covering of the scolopol cell, and this is the sense cell, neurulima cell, and membrane forming cell. This is also cuticular connection and distal process of sense cell. This is the cockroach leg, in which companiform sensilla present at trochanter between the femur and coxa. Another type of mechanoreceptor is chordonotal organ. Chordonotal organ consists of single unit or group of similar units is called scolopedia. Each scolopedia consists of three cells known as neuron, scolopol cell or enveloping cell and cap cell. Their location is in legs at the femoral, distal tibial and tibiotarsal regions, in abdomen and wing base. They are stimulated by passive movement of the segments, tension of the muscles, internal pressure, change due to blood and trachea. This is the diagram showing each unit of chordonotal organ. Actually, chordonotal organ has many units, and when it is made up of one unit, the structure is here. This is the cuticle, epidermis, and these are the cut off adjacent cap cells, and this is the full cap cell covering the scolopole cell, and both these cells cover the bipolar neurons, and at the upper side of bipolar neuron there is a dendrite, and here this is a sense cell, body of the sense cell. This is the terminal filament, and in this picture we can see there are many units of the uh, scolopedia, and this is the chordonotal organ. This is epidermis and this is cuticle. Between it there are many scolopedia. There are there are many modifications of the mechanoreceptors known as Johnson organ and tympanal organ. Johnson organ, which is present at second antennal segment, occur in all adult insect except Columbola and Diplura. It consists of single mass or several group of Scolopedia and is highly developed in Culicidae where the pedicel is enlarged. Axon of sense cells run back and enter the antennal nerve. Johnson organ perceive movement of antennal flagellum and flight speed indicator. It acts also as a hearing organ, tympanal organ or auditory organ. These are present in the adult of many insect species, and they consist of a thin layer of cuticular structure known as tympanic membrane, ear sac and a group of chordonotal organ. So हम ये कह सकते हैं कि टिम्पेनल ऑर्गन और ऑडिटरी ऑर्गन का फॉर्मेशन टिम्पेनिक मेम्ब्रेन और उसके पीछे स्थित एयर सैक और बहुत सी यूनिट्स कोऑर्डिनेटल ऑर्गन्स से मिलकर होता है. Tympanic membrane and ear sac form drum. Sound waves that strike the drum cause it to vibrate and therefore the sensilla to be stimulated. This diagram showing tympanal organs in the leg. This is a transparent membrane in the tibia, and this is a tympanal organ. This is the enlarged structure of the tympanal organ, and there we can see this is the leg of the grasshopper showing tympanal organ. टिम्पेनल ऑर्गन का जो स्ट्रक्चर है उसमें ये है कि टिम्पेनल मेम्ब्रेन जो है वो बाहर की तरफ एक ट्रांसपेरेंट मेम्ब्रेन होती है और इसका प्रेजेंस ट्रेकिया के पास में होता है जहाँ पर ट्रेकिया की ओपनिंग एज ए एयर सैक वर्क करती है और टिम्पेनिक मेम्ब्रेन एंड एयर सैक both are associated with many units of chordonotal organs or many scolopedia. तो जैसे ही एयर वाइब्रेशंस टिम्पेनिक मेम्ब्रेन से स्ट्रक करती हैं बहुत सारी एयर वाइब्रेशन का सेंसेशंस स्कोलोपीडिया तक पहुंचता है और वहां से एक सेंसेशन का जो सिग्नल है वो सीएनएस तक पहुंचता है. This is Johnson organ, hairy antenna of the male mosquito showing a swollen pedicel that houses Johnson organ, a diagrammatic section through Johnson organ. ऊपर वाले डायग्राम में आप देख सकते हैं कि कंपाउंड आई के पास एक स्वलन पार्ट है, इसको पेडिसल कहा जाता है. एंटीना का सेकंड पार्ट है. एक्चुअली एंटीना इज मेड अप ऑफ थ्री पार्ट्स नॉन एज स्कैप, पेडिसल एंड फ्लीजलम. स्कैप जो है कंपाउंड आइज में हेड से बिल्कुल एडजेसेंट पार्ट होता है एंड सेकंड पेडिसल है. पेडिसल के सराउंडिंग में बहुत सारे स्कोलोपीडिया के प्रेजेंस की वजह से जॉनसन ऑर्गन का फॉर्मेशन होता है. एंड दिस इज elongated part known as flagellum, and at higher magnification the picture below it showing Johnson organ in which many scolopedia are arranged in circular rows, two circular rows, so forming Johnson organ. This is a flagellum and this is a hair-like projection of the flagellum. This is the base of flagellum. This is sensory nerves and this is the pedicel. And nerve cells of the Johnson organs are here, and this is the outer ring of the sensilla and this is inner ring of the sensilla, and this is a cuticle, and This is basal plate, and these are single sensillum, and this is the nerve complex of the Johnson organ. This is another view of the tympanal organ in Tachygonidae, species of the Orthoptera. This is the transverse section of the tympanal organ. Here showing the tympanal cavity and opening into the tympanal cavity, basal lamella, and these are the trachea. Here nerves and muscles are here. Sense cells, auditory nerves. This is the anterior hemolymph species. This is the posterior hemolymph species. So on. Uh, Another type of sensory organs are chemoreceptors. Chemoreceptors is sensitive to chemicals. Stimulation by chemicals can occur in the following different ways. Chemoreceptor, therefore, are categorized into two types: olfactory or smell chemoreceptors and gustatory or contact chemoreceptors. Olfactory or smell chemoreceptors provide sense of smell. Mechanism of perception of chemicals in gaseous state at high concentration is known as olfaction. And gustatory chemoreceptors, they provide sense of taste. Mechanism of perception of chemicals in liquid state at higher concentration as known as contact chemoreceptors. Chemoreceptors consist of one or more neurons associated with cuticular structures, having small pores through which molecules enter and stimulate dendrites. Cuticular structures have wide variety of forms: trichoid sensilla, sensilla basiconica, sensilla coeloconica, and sensilla placoidea. Sensory cells provide with hairs, known as trichoid sensilla. Sensory cells provided with bag-like or cone-like structures, known as sensilla basiconica. Sensory cells provided with pits, known as sensilla coeloconica, and sensory cells provided with plates, known as sensilla placoidea. Chemoreception essentially work for taste and smell, is an extremely significant process in the insects as it initiates some of their most important behavior pattern, that is selection of food, oviposition site, location of host or mate, and responses to commercial attractants and repellents. Chemoreceptors are present on mouth parts, especially on the palps, on the antenna, such as in Hymenoptera, tarsi in many Lepidoptera, Diptera, and the honeybees. At ovipositor, such as in parasitic Hymenoptera and some Diptera, and on journal body surface. This is the structure of chemoreceptors. First structure showing gustatory chemosensillum. This is a cone-like structure in which we can say peg-like structure. These are dendrites of the neurons and vacuous scolopole cells and trichosan cells are here. Dendrites of the bipolar neurons. These are the tromosan cells. This is the epidermis, and these are sensory neurons. And at the lower side, these are basal lamella. The other structure is peg-like structure, opening in the cuticle. This is basal spot and vacuole, cuticle, scolopole cells. These are dendrites and trichosan cells, tomosan cells, sensory neurons, and nerve and basal lamella.